Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kankana Self Forum. Today I came here with a new topic. I hope it will be helpful for you all. And before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And if you are already a part of my journey, then thank you so much for being here with me. So today I am going to talk about oral contraceptive pill and their side effect. Oral contraceptive pill is a hormonal method to prevent unwanted pregnancy. But do you know how it will affect your health condition if you don't use it in a proper way? So as a health professional, my responsibility is to make you aware about the side effect of oral contraceptive pill. That's why I made this video so that it will be helpful for you. So let's learn something new today and share it with your friends also if you think that my video is really helpful. We can see that most of the women used to take oral contraceptive pill as it is very easy and effective to use. But if you use it in a regular basis, then it might push you to a very worst health condition. And there are some contraindications. That means there is a condition where you should not take oral contraceptive pills. So are you aware of all those criteria? And do you know about all those things? That's why I am here with you all today to tell you when you should not take oral contraceptive pill. So first one is, if you are a pregnant woman, then you should not take oral contraceptive pill. Secondly, if your age is more than 40 years, then you should not take oral contraceptive pill. And if you had a history of diabetes and has had jaundice during the last 6 months, you cannot take oral contraceptive pill. And if you also have the cardiac abnormalities as well as cancer in your breast or in your genital organ, then you have to avoid oral contraceptive pill. And last one is that if you have excessive uterine bleeding as well as if you are a nursing mother, then you cannot take oral contraceptive pill. So these are some criteria that I am telling you that you should not use oral contraceptive pill. And now I am going to say about what are the side effects that you might face if you take it in a very regular basis or your frequency of taking oral contraceptive pill is more. So here it is, that number one side effect is, if your age is more than 35 years and if you are taking oral contraceptive pill, then you have a higher risk of getting cardiovascular diseases. Cardiovascular diseases means your diseases related to your heart. And if you are a regular smoker and you have a high blood cholesterol level, then you might face these problems. Then second side effect will be mild hypertension. But when you discontinue to take this oral contraceptive pill, it will subside with time. And the next side effect of this oral contraceptive pill are that it might increase the risk of gallbladder diseases as well as it will slightly increase the risk of cervical cancer too. So that's why you need to be very careful when you are using oral contraceptive pill. And lastly, if you are a nursing mother and if you are feeding to your baby, then it will decrease the quantity of your breast milk if you are using oral contraceptive pill during that period of time. So today you have seen that there are lots of conditions of taking OCP and there are many side effects too. And always remember, before taking OCP, you should consult to your doctor whether you are eligible for taking this OCP or not, whether you have any contraindication, means is there any conditions that you cannot take OCP. So if you consult to your doctor or any other healthcare professional who are expert in this pill, then you can take it in a proper manner and which will not hamper your health condition. So I hope you have liked my video, and if you really do, then thank you so much, and be happy, be healthy. Thank you.